morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you're feeling fine. The sun is just above the hill. Another day for us to fill with all the things we love to do. Oh, can't you hear? It's calling you. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine.
Time to go on a walk. It is a lot cooler today than it was, yesterday, the day before. Still wearing shorts, but I could wear pants today. Either way, here I am, going on my walk. I decided to go the other way today. Very exciting. I like this person's fence. I want to get something like it. But for like the backyard, possibly. I don't know, I like it. I like the person's fence. Okay. I'll talk to you later. So, the question is, can you reheat a donut in the air fryer? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. I have already turned it on and put I put 2 donuts inside the air fryer. Why am I having donuts in the afternoon? Because I can. That's why. Because I can. I feel like it just seems like something I want. So, that's what I'm doing. All right. Have ourselves a Long John here. Gonna make it crispy. I didn't leave it in too long. It's probably still cold. It is. But the outside is warm. I'm not gonna microwave it. I remember in the early 2000s, white fingernails were a thing. And I feel like they should be coming back. Everything else does. Why not nail polish? So I didn't know it, but this donut has a creamy center. Sometimes you gotta love a surprise creamy center. What is it? Yes, Miss Purdy? You've been meowing at me for the past... Yeah. What? Loud? Well, go upstairs. Go on. Go upstairs, Fuzzy. Get all that fur on your butt. It's gotta come off. All that fur on your butt's gotta come off. It does. Don't mind me, I'm just wearing my smock. What's the problem? What's the problem? You got food, see? Look, food. Lots of food. You got food. You got water. You trying to get treats? Is that the problem? Treats? Yes. You piggy. You interrupt me. I'm painting. Okay, hold on. I'm getting treats. What's the problem here? The problem is you're a piggy pig. You have to have treats. You're an oinker, I swear. Alright, I got you more treats. That's my finger. Here. Wow, okay, you didn't even chew that one. Seriously? Oh, look, I dropped it. Here, it's right here. Okay, that's all you're getting right now, you pig. No, that's it. See? No, that's it. That's it. Yeah. Wow. You bothered me that much just so you could get your treats for the evening? Really, kitty? Wow. You're crazy. Why are you just staring? Kitty, come on. Miss Purdy. I see you there. You gonna come up here or what? You're just gonna stand there? Miss Birdie. Kitty! Come on! You're being creepy. You're being weird. Really? What the fuck? Hey, good evening. How's it going? Yeah. I'm just waiting on this cat to get in here. Why? I don't know. Because I can. I like to wait on a cat for some reason. She's been very vocal today. And her fur on her butt, she's got like this strip about this wide on just on her backside. And this big fluff on her backside. And I'm trying to help her get it off. But she doesn't seem to want help. So I guess we'll just let her do her thing. It is only, mid-May, so nothing major or anything. She usually doesn't lose all her fur till about mid-June. If it gets really hot like it was last week, she'll probably lose it maybe a little bit sooner. Not really sure, but... So I got these pants, right? Don't worry about the size. They're very, 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 very stretchy. I got them at Walmart. There's no zipper. This is just like they pull up and pull down and stuff. That's why they're very stretchy. I got them at Walmart on sale for $3. I am very proud of my purchase. My $3 at Walmart clearance rack. Obviously, because nothing costs that on a regular basis. Nothing is $3 regularly for clothes. Yeah. So, what am I trying to say? I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know these things. 'Tis unknown to me. I have no idea what I'm trying to say. I painted 2 new pictures. I will put a link to my Facebook page in my comments, my description, whatever. Then maybe someone will want to go like the page or buy some art. If you want some art. And then I painted one for paint night. So yeah, it's bedtime now. I don't feel good. Hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. Have yourself a good night. Toodles!